In this video, I will guide you on how to add a manager to your Instagram account. First, you want to launch open the Instagram app on your device. Now tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner, tap on the three lines at the top right corner. You have to make sure you're using a business or creator account. Now find the option of creator tools and controls, select that. Here find the option of other. Now go ahead and select the option of connect to Facebook. Now tap on continue. Here you will have to enter your Facebook page credentials. So for that, tap on the login to Facebook account, then enter the credentials and tap on the login option. Once you have been connected to a Facebook page, launch open the Facebook app, switch to your Facebook page. Now tap on the profile icon. Here tap on three lines. Now find the option of page status. Here scroll down a bit. You will find the option of manage admin. Select that. Now tap on add new. Now tap on next. Select the person that you want to add. Then if you want to give this person full access, toggle this option on that says allow this person to also have full control. Then tap on the give access option. Now the admin will have access connected to your Instagram account. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.